Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Today I've got a Steeldive SD1953. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to my current subscribers. You guys are great. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. If you like that concept, please make sure you give the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always does help out the channel. Especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick them up for yourself. Today I do have, like I said, the Steeldive 18 SD 1953. This is an amazing watch for the price. It's 300 meters water resistant. It's got a ceramic bezel. It's even got the sapphire crystal with a huge magnification on the date window, which is just amazing. The sweeping second hand Seiko NH35 movement on it. Wonderfully built, wonderfully crafted watch. Looks beautiful in every way. Very, very nice shine on that dial. The lume on this thing is unbelievable. I mean, it is amazing, the lume capability on this thing. I mean, I can't even get it like dark, and you can see, you can just see that. So wonderful illumination on this watch. Very, very nice tight bezel on this thing with zero back play on it. It's really, really nice and tight. The milled clasp is also a wonderful option on it with the safety. Does have the safety latch on the clasp as well as the signature on the safety clasp, and the logo of the dive gear on the back and also on the clasp and the back. Just a wonderfully crafted automatic movement. Very, very nice watch all around, with the brushed stainless look. This watch is amazingly priced also. This watch can be picked up on AliExpress for somewhere in the neighborhood of $50, and that is just an amazing value for a watch that's this specced out with the sapphire crystal ceramic bezel, huge magnification, incredible illumination capabilities, milled clasp, solid links. This thing is just a wonderfully crafted watch, especially for $50. I can't say enough good things about this watch. And even, you know, putting it in the water, you know, it's, let's see if we can get a shot of it ticking away there. There you go. Sweeping second hand, still sweeping away. Completely saturated in the water. Just a wonderful watch all around. Beautifully designed, beautifully crafted. Just a wonderful watch all around. I can't say enough good things about this Steeldive watch. It's just a great watch. I love wearing it, and you cannot beat that price of $50 for this thing on AliExpress. You can probably even pick it up for a little bit less, depending on whether or not there's a sale on AliExpress, or if you got a coupon code. But either way, I mean, this thing for less than $100 is a great deal. It's just a great watch all around. Once again, the SD 1953 Seiko NH35 movement, date window. It does represent and pay homage to a much higher end luxury brand, and they did a great job with this watch as far as the craftsmanship is concerned and the design of this watch. I just love it. It is my favorite watch in my collection. I have done videos on this watch before, and this is basically just an update. You can see I've had this thing probably for about 2 months right at this point. No scratches on the crystal. That sapphire crystal really holds up well. No scratches on the ceramic bezel. Everything's nice as far as the metal is concerned in the bracelet. There's really no scratches or blemishes on it whatsoever. It's just a wonderfully built, wonderfully crafted watch, and like I said, it does hold up to the water. Um, Once again, this is 300-meter water resistant, so you get it's quite a deal. For the price range of $50. It's almost mind-blowing that they can even produce these watches and get them to you at such a good deal. But yes, AliExpress does take a little bit of time to get here. They do have this watch. I believe this watch is also available on Amazon. You can get it a lot quicker on Amazon. I can also post a link to it on Amazon, but I think you'll pay a little bit more if you buy it on Amazon, but you'll get it a lot faster on Amazon than you do on AliExpress. But either way that you decide to pick it up, either price is going to be a really great deal for this watch. So I'll post a link to it on Amazon, and I'll also post a link to it on AliExpress, so you can check them both out and decide which one you'd rather purchase. If you want it right away, definitely Amazon is the way to go. But if you're not in a rush to get it, AliExpress, it'll take a couple of weeks probably to get to your location. But wonderful watch, wonderfully crafted, very nice design. Just a beautiful watch all around, and I just can't say enough good things about it. But anyhow, if you do like this content, I am Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com. I would appreciate any likes, thumbs up, comments, any questions that you have about these watches or any of my other watches, or any watches you'd like to see. Just let me know. I always have these watch review videos coming to you, and I've got a ton of watches on the way, so I will be doing some more reviews this week. I've got a lot of watches on the way, and I've got a collaboration, and I will be bringing some more watches to you guys. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. Again, Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And once again, thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best. And like I said, if you like this content, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And until next time, I will see all of you guys in the next watch review video. You guys have a great weekend.